That's it for the stop loss module. I hope this module has helped you better understand some strategy behind setting your stop loss. Let's review just a few things. Your stop losses should always be predetermined, or in other words, you should always know exactly where you're going to get out of a trade if it goes against you before you even enter the trade. Don't set your stop loss based on how much you are willing to lose. The market doesn't care about how much you are willing to lose, so use technical analysis to find a good position to place your stop loss. You are looking for levels that prove your trade wrong, and that's where you want to place your stop loss. If you're going to move your stop loss after you place it, only move it in the direction of your profit target. Widening stops is bad. The markets are always adjusting, so something that works today may not work next week. It is important to constantly practice the correct way to set stop losses and to adjust your processes as you learn.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.